Alright, this is Andrew Jolly with Joda Home Inspections. We're here today at 3217 Bryson Circle in Riverton. It is October 10th, 2019, and we're doing a sewer scope. We have the camera pushed out all the way out to what looks like the main line, the city connection. We're going to wait for this water to quit draining, and then we're going to pull it back and record it and see what we find. I run water as I push the camera out so that I can see if the line is holding water or if it's draining the way that it should. It also helps me push my camera out. So that's the city line that you're seeing. You have some water running in it from neighboring properties. We're 99 feet out, which is pretty average. I tell everybody that an average line is about 100 feet, and that's right at what we're at. So this is called the nose-on connection. This looks good. You're dropping into the line like you should. Looks like it's properly attached. It's one of the most important parts. This looks like PVC pipe, which is a plastic pipe. That's what they're still using on most new construction. A little bit of sludge, but not too bad. One of the good things about plastic pipe is that you don't have as many transitions or joints as you do with some of the older types of pipe. There's one there. But that's less areas for roots to come in. And so in the future, as your trees and even grass grows, there's less point for it to work its way in to chase that moisture. I accessed this today through a clean out in the living room. You have a good access point. I don't know what's above it. Maybe a laundry room or something, with a washing machine, because there's a ton of sludge. I mean, even could be a shower. There's a ton of sludge. I've got a big tarp down, which helps keep it clean. PVC can be either green or white, so if you see it change color, it's still PVC. Eventually you're going to see it change to black, which is ABS, which is a different type of plastic pipe. That's what you have visible in your house. If you look down in the crawl space, that black pipe is ABS. This is looking good. I'm not seeing any standing water, which is great. That means that you have proper grade. Haven't seen any bellies where it's holding water. This is ABS, where it transitions to this black pipe. Just trying to see if that's an offset, but it looks like it's pretty smooth. See, all this sludge is what I'm seeing right around the clean out. I mean, that can build up enough that it'll eventually need to be cleaned because it can create a blockage. As you flush things down, you can get caught on that, and that'll build up, and it can cause a backup. So it's a maintenance item. It's not necessarily a defect, but something that you can maintain over time to prevent a backup. I've seen houses built in the 90s that are vacant, and all that sludge dries up, and then you start using the line again once somebody moves in, and it loosens up and creates a blockage and backs up. So, I mean, as a preventative measure, you could have it cleaned, but I mean, it's pretty typical. So just to recap, you have PVC and ABS pipe. You have a 100-foot line. I didn't see any roots, and I didn't see any bellies. So that's good. It's functioning the way that it should. I'm going to end this recording now.